So tonight I wanted to show you a couple ideas for lighting up the pool at night and kind of adding some visual interest. First one is this solar powered kind of floating disco ball. It's made by Game. I'll put a link in the description. You can press this little button to power it on and off, and if it sits outside in the sun all day it powers up, but you turn it on and it kind of flashes and strobes a variety of different colors, and toss it in the pool, and the light kind of swirls around off the bottom of the pool. And as it gets darker, it gets a little bit more dramatic. If you want to add a little more fun, you toss in a second one. And I've got the pump running, so they're kind of going to float around and kind of do a cool little light show on the bottom of the pool. So it's starting to get dark, but hopefully you can see my fountain. This is the Intex fountain. I've got a separate video that shows how I did the plumbing for it, but I've actually got it hooked up as a split on my return line, and there's just a ball valve that lets me control whether it's on or off. So I'm going to turn it on. And the fountain also has LEDs that are colored. They're actually just powered by the hydro running through the fountain. There's no batteries. And I'll walk around so you can see sort of views. See my LED lights on the fence. You see the fountain kind of cycles through a number of different colors. You see my floating disco ball lights. Fountain also gives like a nice kind of ambient sound of kind of water, running water, trickling water. Hopefully this gives you a couple ideas of things you can do that are fun to give your pool a little bit of a light show at night.